So now we will find the way to go back to hotel. I'd like to explain to you how you will find the way to your destination with this complex train system. But once you understand the system, it will be very easy. So using the Google map, let's see how non-Japanese find the way, okay? So put the name of the hotel. Hotel Metropolitan Edmonton. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. The first one.
This one.
Hotel Metropolitan. Yeah. Okay, you set up the destination and the direction. Press the direction button. Okay, and select the train, not by car. We're gonna go by train, right? Okay, so you will see a lots of options. The first one should be more efficient way, right? For example, 26 minutes, 30 minutes, right? You need to walk 11 minutes, right? So here we are in front of the station, Higashigenza station. So the first one should be good. Please press the first one. Yeah. From Higashigenza station, take Hibiya line and get on the first car and go to Kayabacho station. At Kayabacho station, you change the train to Tozai line. And this, do you see the mark T? T and the station number is 11. This is H, Hibiya line. The mark is H. So each subway has its own color and the alphabet. Hibiya line, Tozai line. Okay, so follow, you will see this color and this alphabet on the O sign. Okay, so once you figure out which line you should take, which road, just follow this instruction. Okay, so from Higashi Ginza station, take Hibiya line. Okay, and the train tours to there are this way and that way, right? So the train Minami Kurahashi. Okay, but platform number 4. Okay, Hibiya line, platform number 4. Okay, let's go. So H means Hibiya line, A means Asakusa line. So the alphabet and the color shows which line. Okay, so even the same station has several lines, right? One Hibiya line and the other one Asakusa line. So, but you see, we will take Hibiya line, H, gray H. So this Hibiya line is, this entrance is okay to go. Right? And see, there is another line, A, is Asakusa line. If you like to take Asakusa line, you need to go that way 130 meters. Okay, so don't make mistake for the entrance. Okay? So we will get in. So it's a platform number 4, right? Do you remember?
Yeah.
So it's a platform number 4. So we will take here. So when you get on the train, make sure how many stations, like where you need to get off, right? Ride 3 stops, 5 minutes, and get off at Kayabacho station. It's about 4:47. Okay, right now 4:36. So check this time and remember Kayabacho station in third step. You need to get off. Okay. So when you go to the platform, you will see the car number. So number 1, the first car. So it's good to get on the train here. So Kayabacho is the H number 13, right? When you see the screen, you see H13 Kayabacho. So before getting off the station, you check the Kayabacho station, right? And you check you're gonna transfer to Tozai line, the blue one, T line, right? So when you get off, look around and you will see the sign of T line, okay? Tozai line, T, blue T line. So you just follow the instruction. Okay, you're gonna see the T line mark everywhere. Go that way. To exchange to T line, follow this T mark. See? You're gonna see a lot of T mark blue. Okay, if you would like to go to the T line, this way, this way, this way, everything. See, it's easy, right? Okay, so T line platform is here. And let's go down. Okay, so check the Google map again. And here it says platform number 4. Okay, schedule in 4 minutes, platform number 4. So there are number 3 and number 4. Number 3 and number 4. Number 3 go to the opposite direction. So take the train number 4. And the car should be the last car. It's a 10-car train. So you go and see the platform. It says car number 3. So we should go to the end, to car number 10. In 4 minutes, the train comes. The train is this previous station. See, at the station, the platform, you will see ice cream corn and drink vending machine. It's possible, but you can buy with Suica too. Let's go.
足元にご注意ください。4番線の電車は
So we're in the last car. See, that's car number 10. So Iidabashi station is T number 06. Okay, T06. And the exit we will leave is A5, right? So remember, at 4:58 we will get off number 6 and exit is A5, right? Right now 4:50, so in 8 minutes. Okay? So at Iidabashi station, as you see, there are so many lines coming in, so it's very convenient place. So when you get off, always the sign is yellow. For example, that is the sign which exit is. See, that is the sign which exit is. Always the sign is in yellow. Okay? So when you see this,
7つ線上に降りません。JR 線は
oh, what's the number? A5. It's completely opposite side.
I thought we should be on train 1.
Why?
It's 10-car train. We should
It's
be
my bad. It's my bad. Sorry. Oh, it's my bad. 10-car train, but we should have taken the car number 1. You should have told
I tried
me.
to.
Oh, I took. So we are now here. Sorry, it's my bad. I didn't check well. So we should have taken the car number 1. Okay. But anyway. So we should go to A5, exit A5, right? So we see the map. Always the sign is yellow, and we see it. A5 is this side, opposite side. Okay, so we go back. Oh, sorry. Let's go back. See, always the sign is yellow. Why A5? Okay. For the exit A5, we will get out from this exit. See? All right. So A5. So like that, we will find the way to go to our destination. So from here, we just follow the Google map to arrive at our hotel. But we already coming back so many times and I will remember. So I don't need Google map from here. This is how you find the way to go to your destination using Google Maps. Japan train system seems very complicated, but if you use Google Maps, it's so easy. I hope this gonna help your easy travel in Japan. Okay, see you in next video. Bye!